Sunitha's Farmart Beetroot Flakes offer nature's daily nutrition. Retaining original color and flavor, they are ready to consume, and from the heart of nature's farms comes pure goodness.
Fresh beetroots, carefully sourced directly from trusted farmers.
Introducing Sunitha's Farmart Beetroot Flakes. Pure, natural, and powerful. Perfect for daily use. Added to smoothies, cooking, or warm water.
Boosts energy naturally and supports an active lifestyle.
Helps support healthy blood circulation and natural skin glow. No chemicals, no artificial colors, just pure beetroot nutrition. Sunitha's Farmart, trusted natural products for everyday wellness. Choose nature, choose health. Order Sunitha's Farmart Beetroot Flakes today.